Okay, we're going to start from scratch on this. What I have done is copied what you have in group. So we are going to add a countdown timer here. You have to use it. You have to do it from a full URL. You cannot use this. You cannot copy this and post it to your picture in group, because this URL is not a complete one, and that is why the time is always off. Okay, so with that said, let's go to the countdown timer. We're going to use generic. See, it has a pink line around it. All you have to do is go down and hit your date right here. We're going to do it on 4/23. It'll fill in itself. You come down here for your hour. You are doing a 10 a.m. and that's 10 a.m. my time. It's U.S. Central Standard Time. So you have counted backwards. This is what Sue uses, and y'all are on the same time frame. So all you have to do is hit 10 a.m. Oops, didn't make it. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Fill it in. Okay, here's your 10 a.m. Louisville time. That's my time. That's Dallas, Texas. And then you create a countdown. So you hit that, and it's going to change it. So here it is, Tuesday, April the 23rd, and that is the correct time, right? Tuesday the 23rd. Yes, it is. And it's 10 a.m. Louisville time. So you're going to come up here, left click that, going to turn it blue. Then you copy that, okay? Then you would go over to the group page, because that's where you've already had it filled in. I'm going to go over to training because that's where I copied your information. You're going to hit play like this is in group, okay? Already set up. All you're going to do is hit edit. And I have added, here is your countdown clock for your convenience. And after the dots, you're just going to paste the whole URL. And you save it. And if you go up and you click this, it's going to open up another tab right there. And it says Tuesday, April 23rd at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, my time. So we know the countdown clock works, okay? So that is going from making your countdown clock to going into the group, which I'm in the training room, but and then just adding in your clock. And then it's done. Okay, hope that helps. If not, please just tell me. I don't want you, to go crazy over this. All right?